ka-home foodies, and welcome to another delicious session with me. So ako ay nag-iisip na mag-prepare ng something meat-free, diba? Pero hindi nagmi-miss out sa napaka-meaty na lasa. And I've come to discover ang VEEGA MEAT-FREE GINILING, isang plant-based protein product. And together with DARI CREME CLASSIC, mag-whip up tayo ng something Asian-inspired, and you can easily whip up in 5 minutes. So are you ready? This is Liana Tanner Senas for Food Swings. Let's start our Asian-inspired, really delicious dish today entitled Sesame Ginger Meat-Free Giniling. Of course, using our VEEGA plant-based protein product, specifically this one. And this one is high in protein, high in fiber, and has no preservatives added. And aside from that, we're going to use margarine. Ang pinipili ng mapiling na, ang DARI CREME CLASSIC. Sabi ko nga Asian-inspired, no? Kasi yung flavor notes niya, meron siyang ginger, soy sauce, at saka sesame seeds. And we'll put in vegetables, no, na typical na ginagamit din sa mga Asian dishes, tulad ng ating carrots, Baguio beans, and actually, kung ano ang veggies na preferred nyo. Ayan, so simulan na natin. Ang una natin gagawin is i-combine ang ating marinade ingredients. So, ito yung sesame seeds na toasted na, yung honey. So, itong dish na to slightly sweet but not overwhelming. Ang ating soy sauce. And ang ginger. So, grated, no? Para talagang mas mabilis lumabas yung lasa niya. So, i-mix maigi. In any marinade, pinaka-importante is really to mix mo muna lahat ng mga sangkap bago mo ilagay yung any meat or meat-free product, no? Para siguradong equal ang distribution ng lasa. At ilalagay na natin ang ating VEEGA MEAT-FREE GINILING na talagang satisfyingly meaty and guilt-free. So, lalagyan natin siya ng 2 packs. And by being fully cooked, actually, it saves you time from cooking. Kasi parang iniinit mo na lang siya. And with this dish, kailangan mo lang actually gisahin. Imimix lang natin ang ating marinade sa VEEGA MEAT-FREE GINILING. Tabi muna natin siya kasi we are ready to saute. Kumuha lang tayo ng 2 tablespoons ng DARI CREME CLASSIC. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung isang bar ng DARI CREME CLASSIC, parang equivalent na yan to 1 cup, no? Yung 1 pack. So, divide nyo. Ang isang cup is about 16 tablespoons. So, pag kinalahati mo, that's half cup. And then, pag kinalahati mo pa to, this will be 1/4 cup, which is 4 tablespoons. So, pwede kang kumuha dyan. So, we need 2 tablespoons, so this one. And put in our pan. Melt lang natin ang ating margarine bago tayo mag-gisa. Kapag melted na ang ating margarine, which is a very good flavor carrier, igigisa na natin ang ating carrot. Alam niyo yung carrot, pag kayo namili niyan, dapat yung tangkay niya, yung yung green part, no? Tanggalin niyo yon bago niyo itago yung carrot sa refrigerator. Bakit? Kasi halaman siya, hindi ba? So, dino-draw out niya o kinukuha niya yung moisture, pati nutrients, para tumubo siya. So, mawawala yung nutrients dun sa pinaka-body, yung pinaka-carrot. Kaya kailangan tanggalin yon bago i-store. Second, when you're about to use carrots, dun nyo lang dapat siyang hugasan. Bakit? Kasi yung moisture, magpo-promote yan ng yung soft rotting na tinatawag sa carrot. No, yung nabubulok siya agad. Kaya dapat yung carrot na sinustore natin, medyo dinadry nyo and bago ipasok sa chiller or sa refrigerator. And yung active component na vitamin A na makikita sa carrots, magiging active active siya or marirelease siya kapag may konting pagigisa sa mantika or any form of fat. Tulad ng Dairy Creme Classic. Pwede na natin ilagay ang ating Baguio beans. You can always put the veggies of your choice. So I can suggest actually toge, adding toge or yung mung bean sprouts to extend the dish further at saka to add flavor kasi may distinct flavor yung toge. So i-cook lang natin to until almost tender and we can actually add already ang ating marinated meat-free giniling. Para sabay-sabay na yung luto nila. And then iti-thicken natin a bit with cornstarch mixture. Ngayon kung wala kayong cornstarch, no, pwede kang gumamit ng flour to thicken. Kaya lang, yung thickening power ng flour is 50% less, no, versus cornstarch. Kung ganon, you have to double yung amount ng flour. But instead of, say, 2 tablespoons, you have to use already 4 tablespoons or equivalent siya to 1/4 cup. Now, you have to mix continuously until mag-thicken yung ating mixture. As mentioned, you can use veggies of your choice. Pwede ka nga mag-add din dito ng tokwa. Ano, favorite ko yung tokwa eh. Meron ka na meat-free giniling, di ba? Parang yung VEEGA, sobrang gandang product, sobrang sarap. And it's really good for those opting to go on a flexitarian diet. Or yung talagang mga meatless Mondays, di ba? Yung walang meat, pero hindi mo mamimiss na parang hindi ka kumain ng meat. Kasi yung VEEGA, talagang satisfyingly meaty siya without the meat. Ayan, luto na yung ating dish. Actually, heated through na. Naluto na yung veggies and I'm not gonna overdo my veggies dahil nag-brighten na yung color niya. Ililipat na natin siya sa ating platter. See, it's so delicious. Sabi ko kasi, in less than, I think, 5 minutes, we're able to do this dish. Lipat na natin siya sa ating lalagyan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo 2 ways to serve this. So, one is to just put it in a nice platter. Alam mo yung kulay, it makes a lot of difference. So, today, gumagamit ako ng pulang bowl. Di ba, medyo oriental ang dating. On its own, maganda na siya kasi hindi overcook yung veggies. Alam niyo yung veggies, when you're cooking it, kailangan lang pagka-turn niya ng bright na color, pwede nyo nang patayin. Kasi may residual cooking pang nagaganap eh. This recipe makes 6 servings, mga half cup per person, no, or per serving. Another way is to put it on top of rice. So parang rice bowl effect. Usong-uso yan sa mga resto. So you get about a half cup. Put it in the middle. Diba pag nag-serve ka ng ganyan, gaganahan na yung kakain eh. Kasi may konting ate. And wala pa akong ginagawa. Wala akong garnish na iba. Diba? Yung pag-mound nyo lang, parang medyo pagitna. I-finish off natin ng konting toasted sesame seeds. Nagtabi kasi ako kanina, hindi ko nilagay lahat. Para, diba, pampadagdag lang siya sa arte. And there you have it, ang ating sesame ginger meat-free giniling using VEEGA meat-free giniling and Magnolia Dairy Creme Classic. Nako, sobrang madelicious. Diba? In a jiffy, in 5 minutes, meron ka ng masarap na ulam. And hindi siya pang special occasion ha, pang araw-araw siya pwede mong gawin. Kahit pagod na, kaya mo siyang i-whip up ng madalian para i-serve sa iyong pamilya. So I'll see you again for another exciting, madelicious session here on Home Foodie.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads.
Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, hindi lang nakakatakam, but siguradong madelicious!